Have you ever gone long periods without close friends and wondered if something was wrong with you? Psychology says the opposite might be true. People who have no friends aren't antisocial or failures. They're often misunderstood. Their brain works in a way that makes normal social life feel draining, shallow, or simply unnecessary. And there are real psychological reasons why. 1. They have higher standards for connection. People without friends aren't avoiding relationships, they're avoiding surface-level ones. Psychology shows that deeper thinkers prefer quality over quantity. They don't want small talk, fake friendships, or draining personalities. So instead of forcing empty connections, they choose solitude until they find something real. That's not isolation, that's selectiveness. 2. Their brain needs more recovery time. Some people have a more sensitive nervous system, meaning social contact drains them faster than others. Psychology calls this high social sensitivity. After interacting, they need longer breaks to recharge. This doesn't mean they dislike people. Their brain simply burns more energy during social connection. It's biology, not choice. 3. They're more self-sufficient than most. Many people with no friends don't rely on social validation to feel okay. Psychology calls this low social dependency. They entertain themselves, solve problems alone, and find comfort within their own mind. Instead of needing people around them, they create their own world, and they're often happier than people expect. 4. Past experiences made them protective. People with no friends often have one thing in common, a past experience that made them cautious, betrayal, neglect, or being surrounded by the wrong people too long. Psychology shows that once trust breaks, the brain becomes protective and selective. This doesn't mean they can't form friendships, they just think carefully before letting someone in. 5. They have a deeper inner world. Psychologists say people who spend long periods alone usually have stronger inner worlds, richer imagination, sharper intuition, greater clarity, and deeper self-awareness. They think more, observe more, and feel more. This depth can make regular social circles feel unrelatable and exhausting by comparison. So, if you have no friends or very few, it doesn't always mean something is wrong with you. It might simply mean your mind works differently, with more awareness, more sensitivity, more depth, and higher standards for connection. Sometimes the people with the strongest minds walk alone for a while, and that's not weakness, that's clarity. Subscribe now, because on this channel, we don't just judge behavior, we decode the psychology behind it.